Planet Earth, our home, teems with life in a dazzling array of forms, colors, and sounds. From the towering rainforests to the depths of the oceans, life thrives in every corner. This incredible variety of living things, from the smallest insects to the largest whales, is what we call biodiversity. Biodiversity is like a giant, colorful tapestry. Each plant, animal, and microorganism is like a thread woven together to create the fabric of life. These threads are connected in countless ways. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat all depend on the intricate web of life. This interconnectedness is what makes biodiversity so important for the health of our planet and our own well-being. Imagine a world without the vibrant colors of coral reefs, the majestic roar of a lion, or the delicate dance of butterflies in a meadow. This is what we stand to lose if we don't protect our planet's biodiversity. Biodiversity is not just about the number of different species on Earth. It also encompasses the variety within species, known as genetic diversity, and the variety of ecosystems. Genetic diversity refers to the differences in the genetic makeup within a species. For example, different breeds of dogs, from the tiny Chihuahua to the massive Great Dane, all belong to the same species, but they exhibit a wide range of physical characteristics due to genetic variation. This diversity within species is essential for their adaptability and survival in changing environments. Species diversity refers to the number of different species in a given area. A rainforest, for instance, is home to thousands of plant and animal species, while a desert has far fewer. Ecosystem diversity encompasses the variety of habitats, communities, and ecological processes within and between ecosystems. From forests and grasslands to rivers and oceans, each ecosystem supports a unique assemblage of life. Biodiversity is not just a matter of aesthetics or scientific curiosity. It is crucial for our survival and well-being. It provides us with essential services, including food, medicine, clean air and water, and climate regulation. For example, many of the medicines we rely on are derived from plants and animals. The rosy periwinkle, a plant found in Madagascar, provides us with vincristine and vinblastine, two drugs used to treat childhood leukemia. Biodiversity also plays a vital role in regulating our climate. Forests, for instance, absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to mitigate climate change. However, deforestation and habitat loss are releasing this stored carbon back into the atmosphere, exacerbating the problem. Furthermore, biodiversity is essential for pollination, nutrient cycling, and pest control, all of which are crucial for agriculture and food production. The loss of pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, could have devastating consequences for our food supply. Section 4. Biodiversity and stability. Ecosystems with high biodiversity are generally more stable and resilient to disturbances, such as disease outbreaks, invasive species, and climate change. This is because a greater variety of species provides a wider range of resources and functions. For example, in a diverse forest, if one tree species is wiped out by disease, other tree species can fill the gap, ensuring the forest's continued survival. However, in a forest with low diversity, the loss of a single tree species could have cascading effects on the entire ecosystem. Biodiversity acts as a safety net, providing a buffer against environmental change and ensuring the long-term health of our planet. Section 5. The consequences of loss. The loss of biodiversity is one of the most pressing environmental challenges of our time. Human activities such as habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and overexploitation are driving species to extinction at an alarming rate. The consequences of this loss are far-reaching and potentially catastrophic. As we lose species and ecosystems, we are losing the vital services they provide. This loss of ecosystem services could have severe impacts on our health, food security, and economic well-being. Moreover, the extinction of species is irreversible, representing a permanent loss of our planet's natural heritage. Each species is the result of millions of years of evolution, and their loss diminishes the richness and wonder of the natural world. Section 6. Our natural heritage. The Earth's biodiversity is a precious and irreplaceable treasure. It is our responsibility to protect this natural heritage for future generations. We must act now to conserve biodiversity by reducing our impact on the environment, promoting sustainable practices, and raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity. As we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world, we must remember that we are not separate from nature, but an integral part of it. Our fate is inextricably linked to the fate of all living things on Earth. So I ask you, what kind of world do we want to leave for future generations? A world devoid of the beauty and wonder of nature? Or a world where life continues to thrive in all its diversity? The choice